Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maida and you're watching Maida Pours. Thank you so much for joining me today. If it's your first time here, you are very welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, well, welcome back, friend. It's so good to see you again. So for today's pour, I've actually already done some pouring today, as you can see by the state of my hands, which are covered in paint. I swear I wear gloves, but I still get my hands covered in paint. I don't know how people stay clean in paint. It's not me. I can't do it. Anyway, moving on. I mixed up some more paint. A very simple palette. I'm feeling like the simple monochromatic, or I guess my last pour had like 2 colors in it, but I don't know why. I'm just in that zone right now, and I'm continuing that theme on into this pour. I'm only using black and white in this pour. I'm using Decoart Extreme Sheen Obsidian. This is going to be a metallic pearl pour. If you didn't guess by the title, it probably says it in there. But I'm using just one color. It's this Obsidian. So let me show it to you here. It is just a, it's a shimmery, shiny, black, dark gray maybe, but black. Obsidian is black color. And then I'm also going to be using just Artist Loft soft body acrylic. I have been calling it Artist Loft Low Acrylic, and I didn't realize they changed the name. So Artist Loft soft body acrylic for my pour over or dumping color here. So without further ado, let's get to pouring. Okay, so I have my canvas here, and I do have the back of my canvas taped, and I've got my push pins in there. And I am going to put on gloves, even though it's pointless. I'm still going to get my hands covered in paint, but it'll help the cause a little bit. It'll help the cause just a little bit. So I do have 2 cups of my pour over or dumping color. I'm not sure if I need both. We'll see. We'll see how much I need. And I am going to use all, because I want it to be all black cells, basically. I just want a painting full of black cells. With a white center, maybe. We'll see. So I am going to use all of my Obsidian, or just about all. Just about. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to use it all. This is an entire tube of Obsidian. I'm not joking around. I want to see a ridiculous amount of black pearls. That's all. That's what I want. I'm like, what do I want? This is what I want. So, bam, that's it. Anyway, so next up is just dumping out the white right in the center. And I pour it out until I pour it quickly. I'm gonna use that entire cup. And I'm gonna go corner to corner. First corner, back down to this corner. And I tilt these fast with a quickness. That is really the key to it, in my opinion. And make sure that corner's covered. And I'm gonna turn this around and get it down over this last corner. There might be just a little bit left in this cup. Yeah. So I do need a little bit of what's in this cup to get this last corner covered. So just like that. I'm gonna come over here. Final corner. You can already see my pearls. These are black pearls. And there we go. And I'm gonna bring it back down to the center before I torch it. And I'm just sliding my gloved finger along the bottom to kind of help pull these off. Okay, now it is time to torch. I did get a new torch. I do not know how I feel about it. I've had it for a while, but I don't really use it. But my last torch finally died, and it was time to go ahead and break this torch out. It's not fully dead, but I can't get like a good flame out of it anymore. Okay, and now the time for encouragement has come. Like any pro pour, it just needs a little encouragement to really help those cells open up and let that kind of surface area, just this little bit of tilting gives the surface area just that little bit of help it needs to really get the cells to open, in my opinion. Okay, so here it is, completely dry. Wanted to come in and give you kind of a final close-up of just the finished piece. And I love these cells. They are beautiful and juicy, but they do like have just the black and white negative space is exactly the feeling I was going for. I love how they trail off into that corner. And I do have a nice big open center that I am just wondering if I should embellish it. And I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think? I might put a poll up on my community tab. Just, do you think I should embellish this piece, yes or no? And then if you answer yes, give me some ideas. So there you go. That's it. Kind of a overview here of the whole pour. It does have, I don't know, I feel like there could really be something interesting and cool going on in here. So I would love to hear your opinions on that in the comments. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that thumbs up button. It really does help out with the algorithm. And let me know in the comments what you think of it. And if you enjoy watching acrylic paint pouring videos, well, consider subscribing, because that is what I do here. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.